I'm super excited to try this hair treatment. It's going to really be a change. I think it's easily portable and it can be taken on trips, and now it even comes with an applicator brush. It's designed to apply neatly and easily into the roots. You have two options. You can apply it to just shampooed hair or on dry hair. The goal is to rub it into the roots because that's where the gray hair starts. I was really getting frustrated with my gray hair, the texture, the way it would just pop up along the hairline, and the frequent hair coloring that I had to have done. It's expensive, it's time consuming, it's damaging to the hair, but I learned that I wasn't even looking at the source of the problem. It's in the root, and this treatment goes straight to the root. The reason hair comes out gray is because of the lack of pigment. This product will go in and nourish the root so that the pigment can be restored. It makes so much sense, so I'm going to try it. It works from the inside out to banish the gray hair, because really the reason why is it's the lack of pigment that causes the hair to be gray, and that all starts at the root. I have been spending a fortune at the hairdresser coloring the hair that's already grown out. It's expensive, it's damaging, it's time consuming. I was really over it. So getting to the source made sense to me, and I was really excited to see the natural ingredients in this product that I didn't have to worry about. I really had some misgivings about doing my own hair treatment, but you know what? It was really easy. I tried the dry application because I had clean dry hair, massaged it into the roots. I really felt like I was spoiling myself, and style as normal. And now after a couple of applications, I can imagine it's going to be even better, but no more fuzzy gray along the edge here, and it just blends in with my normal hair. It did not color my highlights, which was something I was concerned about. So this is a winner. I highly recommend it.